wanted to find out if someone does their morning blessing and their morning prayer, and for some reason they forget to do the Amidah or Shemona Esrei, are you able to do the Shemona Esrei in the afternoon for Mincha?
Okay, so that's okay. So it's a very interesting question. So let me try to answer it. So I'm going to generalize your question, so it would apply to everybody, right? So the question, if a person was trying to pray right in the morning, but got disturbed, I don't know, something that happened with the kids, this and that, cause they call him from work, like had to run to the office, a million things, right? So a person was distracted, and it was not because of his fault, right? She was trying to pray, and something happened. So in this case, yes, you can do compensatory Shmona Esrei, right? During the Mincha, during the next service. But I'm going to simplify. Just let's say person missed Shacharit, Shmona Esrei, right? Because of circumstances beyond her control. So I would say just allow us to pray 2 Shmona Esrei during the Mincha, men and women, doesn't matter, right? So the procedure is you finish Shmona Esrei, regular Shmona Esrei, for Mincha. That's what it must be your intention. The first one is I do the regular whatever I do, and then you start the second one. Then you start the second one, and your intention must be that the second one is for the morning whatever I missed, and that's it. That's it's called compensatory prayer. There is no problem. But if person was counting on that, right, that's what I would do in a lechatchila in the beginning. It would be forbidden. So it's only when something happened because of circumstances beyond your control. Okay. And the same if you did miss Mincha, for example, women don't usually pray Mariv, but if they want, of course they can. But for men, if they miss Mincha for circumstances beyond their control, they can do then on Mariv two prayers. Even though technically it's a second day, but for the reasons of this prayer, I don't want to confuse it, but it's actually the same day. So there is no stopping. In this case, there is no stopping. Meaning, if right, so if Mincha is a previous day, Mariv after the nightfall is a different day. But in this case, it's like just a next prayer. Okay, go ahead. Any other questions?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.